What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia once again. Still working on this drag build, and I got some presents. Woo! Who doesn't like parts, right? Let's open these up, find out what they are. Now, some of you guys might be like, oh, why'd you buy these things? You should have made them yourself. Well, I'm not an aluminum fabricator, if that gives you any hint. I want to go race at the track sooner rather than later. I needed something to mount my stuff in. So, here we go. New parts. Brand spanking new. A lot of newspaper here. Alright. So what we have here is a Scott Rod aluminum dash. Very well packed, covered. Yeah, only weighs 3 pounds. Looks like it comes with instructions. What's this? This is our bill. Bills paid. Yep, I know. It was expensive. Hopefully worth it. All brackets come with this thing. Hopefully it's an easy install. Let's see how this other one opens up. This one should be our firewall, rear firewall, or basically rear seat delete paneling here. Woo, shocked me. So yeah, you guys will see as we install this. Should be good. Let's do it. Woo! Alright guys, so the instructions are pretty simple as far as it goes. They write a 3 there and a 3 here. You're supposed to put that on there and rivet them together. So I got my rivet tool, gun, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna rivet this on. So I think I'm gonna peel these back a little. I don't want the plastic stuck in there, so I'm just peeling the plastic off here, you see. They cover it and makes it stay all nice and shiny. I know, I decided to come out here, so it's gonna be stupid windy now. I'm probably gonna start, cussing, getting annoyed at the wind, but for now, we're alright. There we go. So, pretty easy. Really all I'm gonna do is push the rivets through the hole and rivet it on. My experience, it usually takes twice. Still pretty dead simple. One in the hole, shoving the rivet through, push it in there, popping her down. Really is a pretty slick setup they made here. So there we go. First side bracket is mounted. Rivets are pretty sweet, aren't they? Peek through there. Scott Rod fab. Should sit up in there pretty easily, so we'll see. Alright guys, so basically what we're doing here, the brackets, we're basically looking at the underside of it, okay? So we already put our in bracket down on here, and this is basically going to sit right like that, up against there, and then this bracket fits in there, creating a little seamed wall at the high point, ending finally with one down here. All these get riveted on and then riveted to the chassis, and yeah, and we got ourselves a dash, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna rivet these on one by one. So I did that one, so we're just gonna flip this one over, place it in there, find my bag of rivets, which I brought in. I thought I brought in. There they are. And yeah. I'm going to start peeling the plastic off of this one a little bit. Just don't really care to have it trapped. It's a laser covering. Somehow this reflects the laser and allows the laser to cut metal while not cutting plastic. Pretty crazy stuff. 2, this is 2. They're nice enough to mark them, you know, 2 and 2 for us. 1, 2, 3, only 3 pieces. There's a couple other random pieces that I'm not really sure where they go, but we will show those and figure it out. Once again, pulling that off. Da-da-da. Looks like I didn't do a very good job on that one somehow. Remember, when you have this plastic stuff, you should probably peel it first. So I'm gonna have some stuck in here. Whatever. I'm over it already. Okay, so you see how that made that edge there? That's gonna allow that to sit like that. So, pretty sweet. Woo! If you've never riveted stuff, it's actually kind of cool to watch from the back even. Basically just expands the metal as it yanks it through. Pretty neat. So there you go. I think it'll actually be pretty sturdy once it's all together. I'm pretty stoked, so like I said, this is what it should look like. Put that down there like that. Oh yeah. It's gonna look good.
You're going the wrong way.
Go down?
Yeah. You're supposed to come from the topper part, because they're on clips. See? I've done this a couple times. The glorious process of removing the window trim.
The
reach is not sufficient.
Oh no, I gotta pull it this way. This is how you take out a windshield, man.
It is.
Oh, this sauce is just like butter. Ah! You broke it. How hot. Very hot. Okay, let's see if I can just push it. Just catch it. It is. Ta-da! Might shatter in a million pieces. Finish your buttholes. So. There. Hey, look, we did a thing. We didn't even hack job it, guys. Look! That's not a hack job. The windshield is intact for the most part. Except for the one little hole. You needed a little hole. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to do that. I need a new one of these. The windshield was broken anyway, so you can't say no.
And spray painted, and I mean, it's no bueno.
There's so much room for activities.
That's why I took the windshield out of that other one, so I can pull the whole dash. That needs to go in the trash can.
Yes. Yay, oh, can we open that big door? It's hot in here. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and mount the VIN plate to our dash here. At a one hole for mounting, we're just going to cover that up. So we're going to mount it right here. That way we still have a VIN plate. There we go. Our new dash. Now it's a VIN plate. Sweet. That's kind of cool. I don't care if it's kind of ghetto, it's kind of cool.
The VIN plates were originally riveted on, so...
Yeah. Alright, that's screwing with me. Does it, I don't think where it needs to sit. It needs to sit there, where does it need to sit? Now we can mount it. Where's that hammer? You heard that big hammer?
Big hammer.
It won't sit on because there's that. I'm wondering if I can just slice that and set it on there further hacking.
Yeah, we just gotta not get in the way of the windshield, though.
Yeah, well, the windshield sits here on the front.
Yeah.
So as long as it's back there, it should.
Well, that way we can just drill through that.
Well, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. If I can put it all the way up there, and then we can just drill through that.
I like that a lot better than their bracket lever nonsense.
Cut and lift. Yeah, actually, I do that with those. Where are those snips?
Or you could use your little mini cutoff wheel.
Ooh, where's that work actually?
It's in one of those side drawers. It's in the bottom of it.
Another blood toll has been paid tonight.
It burnt the skin of my finger. Nice. That's how fast it was moving. It just burnt my finger. It didn't do anything else. It burnt it. That's gonna bubble.
I thought this was supposed to come pre-done.
You're supposed to mount it like out here.
Oh yeah,
That's dumb.
I want it further away.
that would be done.
Right at the dash. Oh, that's money, dude, right there. That's money. Money, 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 pay me. So I think too, we could do that. Then you can push it up like that after it's already on. Okay. Hold it. I'm gonna
Get in. Get in the car, see how it sits.
see how it sits. As I get the steering wheel Still needs to cut off the steering wheel.
Oh, yeah. Just don't get rooted in the ass.
That'd be badass. It's weird that they made it flat and not up, like the stock dash.
You really need to get a pull off steering wheel.
Oh, I'm going to.
That needs to happen.
I don't have to cut that much. Okay. I mean, this can't go any higher, so it is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna get the self-tap. I'm gonna self-tap on the top. One second, here, you pull that one. I gotta get out of this.
UX of race car. Not so great.
It's a novel idea. It is why I have two tripods, in fact.
How close against the thing do you want this?
That's fine. Other any chance. How much one all It's this close. You can feel the edge of it with that.
I don't even understand. I understand now.
So is it
Hey,
on
I was
there?
stabbing you.
Basically, because I want it all the way up. Well, it can be.
Yeah, but I mean, we go around this way.
Oh, how much is your saying we should do?
Do you want a room or you want a site or what?
Should go right. How far are we going on that side? Okay. Yeah, that's about how I push it back in here. Okay, because it's gonna sit right off that lip, just like that. Make sense? Is it in there? More in the middle. What do you think?
Probably should have cut the
Oh, no, these come on off. What's the beauty of these? These are rivets. I can just go bop, 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 and it's off. Bring that side. Jesus. What am I on?
Probably something. Let's get back.
I can't put that back on. Sure.
No, you weren't even in anyway.
It was hard to dig. Sweet.
Dash.
Oh, we're getting someplace now. Just gotta cut a hole. I did that thing, 'cause that thing on these things is working. And the dash. There, I'm in there. There's some mounts. I can push it up. Like that. I'm wondering, I might need something to push from the center. Can you hold it up in the center so it looks like? I can screw through this side and mount it there, just like that. Otherwise, it's gonna be. Well, we can lift it as far as I cut it. I'll try. That's what we'll do. I'll lift it with the steering column, and then I'll put it there.
We can make our cut and then we can just like get some rubber hose, slice it, put it
Yeah, put
against
it
it,
under, yeah.
and then we can just stick the column against it.
That'll work. Yeah, I like it. This will be cool. Oh, it's badass. Look at this. I'm gonna make the.
This is the position from which I would be screaming like a little girl. This thing goes way, way faster.
Then
It
anything
probably-
you own.
It probably should.
I don't know anything about it.
You're showing your age.
Hashtag.
I'm not sure that it's
Hashtag too old for that?
I'm not sure it's age so much as just he's got better things to do.
Probably the latter.
Probably.
Actually, definitely the
Running
latter.
2 businesses.
Is it 4 businesses?
You did it bad, Caleb.
Why?
Because you riveted the plastic.
I know. I realized that afterwards. Hashtag I need at least 1 or 2 bolts in. Hashtag. Hashtag putting on 6 times before try to hashtag. Wait, there's no double hashtag.
Hashtag.
Please stop.
Hashtag, why are there so many hashtags?
Please stop. This is almost as bad as me telling terrible jokes.
No, people actually find this one. Some people find humor highly entertaining.
I know somebody found me. Because the comments up. The Robinsons.
That was good. That was a good joke, though.
It was. That was a great use of that quote. Oh. Peeling the plastic off of stuff is just... Oh. So satisfying, right?
I don't know, internet, if you saw the face that he made, but it was disturbing.
Bugger off. Lord above. I think that's still making.
He's still making that face. Oh. Yay for Dremels.
Hiding with me. She's like, ah, those scary noises.
Special guest on the show tonight, Georgie. Terrified of the Dremel.
Terrified of the drill. I think you gotta cut it a little bit wider to clear this now.
Probably not. We're gonna have to wipe off your fingerprints.
We're gonna have to put like Auto Mafia Racing or something.
Okay, yeah.
And we're gonna
Well, I
have
already
to,
put off the Scott Rod pad stickers. I pulled them off.
Yeah. We have to put like an Auto Mafia sticker and we're gonna have to sign it or something.
Yeah. We're not famous yet.
Ah, who cares? Famous or not. Would it be knocking off Shelby? A little bit. Rush does it too? I've never actually seen the inside of Rush.
Some of the stage 3 though.
Yeah.
Actually, it depends. Doesn't always do it.
Shelby died, so. Gila Beaches. More? I don't know. Is it hanging up on that side? It's not hanging up on this side.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know it seems like we cut off a little early, but basically I'm tired of editing it. Yeah, I know. So it's still like 30 minutes long, roughly, right? Maybe a little less once I trim a little bits of this down. So we'll get you the second half of part 33, or really it'd be part 34. We'll get the rest of this dash installed solid, and it'll be pretty good. You guys will enjoy it, I have no doubt. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below any ideas you guys have for the project, comments, parts you want, stuff you want to see us do, etc., right? So take it easy, guys. Labor Day weekend, everybody's having a good time, so keep those tires smoking, the flashing lights behind you, and paint the Speedo. Later.